Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to cover what is JDK, what is JRE, JIT compiler in Java, identifiers. Okay, let's begin with JDK. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software development environment that is used to creating the Java application. JDK is a collection of tools that helps to write, compile, and run the Java application. So the JDK contains that is JRE, interpreter, compiler, and achiever. All these JDK contain. So if you want to write the Java code, you need to install the JDK. Next will be what is JRE in Java. So JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JRE acts as a translator and a facilitator between the Java program and the operating system. So basically JRE acts as a translator between operating system and the Java program. It provides the necessary resource for the program to execute. JRE provide the environment needed for the Java program to run, including the JVM also and the various library. So JDK include JRE and JRE include the JVM and the other libraries whichever are required. Next is JIT compiler. What is JIT compiler in Java? So JIT compiler stands for just-in-time compiler. It is a component of Java runtime environment that improves the performance of Java application at the runtime. Okay, so it works by compiling the bytecode into native machine code. So JIT compiler it is a part of Java virtual machine that improves the performance of the program. So firstly, Java code is compiled into bytecode by the Java compiler. That bytecode is interpreted by the JVM, which makes Java platform independent. And in that time interpretation can be slow. So the JIT compiler comes and it converts the bytecode into native machine code, required machine code. Okay. So what it does, JIT compiler, it is basically speed up the program execution by compiling the code. So next is identifiers. We are going to learn about what is identifier. So every program, every class, every method, or every variable we give the name. That name is called the identifiers. For example, if I go here, integer I have declared that integer I have name it as a num is the identifier. Here sum is identifier, so this is called the identifiers. So in that what is mentioned, after the first character, identifiers can have any combination of characters. Okay, so basically it can have num is num underscore, we can name it as like this. So in this also we can take a dollar sign, we can take also we can take underscore. Okay, but we cannot take the special character like percentage, like exclamatory mark, we cannot start with this. Okay, for identifier, and a keyword cannot be identifiers. Okay, keyword means that a reserved keyword that is already in the compiler. If you use, okay, so here I have mentioned reserved keywords are the words that have special meaning to the compiler. So we cannot use them as a variable name, method name, or class name. In Java, we have total 53 reserved keywords. These all keywords are predefined words that have special meaning in the Java. So for example, return. If I give any name for, if I take the num, it is as a return. Now if I rename it as with return, this will not work. Syntax error, token return is invalid, variable declared. Okay, so this type of error it will give, so we cannot give this like this name. So thank you guys. If you like my channel, please share and subscribe. That's for today. Thank you.